Hello everyone, my name is Anil Tiwari and I am present this topic booting process in computer system. Why is booting required? हमें booting की आवश्यकता क्यों पड़ी? Hardware does not known as hardware don't, does not known where the operating system resides and how to load it. Need a specific program to do this job. Bootstrap loader e.g. BOIS, boot input output system. Bootstrap loader located at a kernel loaded in loaded it into the main memory and start its execution. In some systems, a simple bootstrap loader features a more complex boot program from disk which turn load the kernel. How boot process occurs? Pa- Reset event on CPU, power up remote cause instruction register to be loaded with a predefined memory location. It contains a jump instruction that transfer execution to the location bootstrap program. This program is the form of ROM since RAM is known state at system startup. ROM is convenient as in its need to initialization and cannot be affected by virus. पावर ऑन रिमोट होने पर सीपीयू प्री-डिफाइंड मेमोरी एड्रेस को इंस्ट्रक्शन लेता है। यह इंस्ट्रक्शन बूट स्ट्रैप प्रोग्राम रोम में चलता है या स्टोर होता है। तो रोम सेफ होती है क्योंकि स्टार्टअप पर रैम खाली रहती है। मतलब सबसे पहले रोम में छोटा प्रोग्राम चलता है जो आगे ओएस को लोड करता है। ये ओएस यह डायग्राम बायोस और हार्डवेयर के बीच इंटरेक्शन दिखा रहा है। टास्क prompt and boot up runs diagnostic to determine the state of machine. If diagnostic pass, booting continue. Runs a power on self test post to check the device that the computer will rely on are functioning. BIOS goes thoughts a configured list of device until it finds one that is bootable. If it finds no such device, an error is given and the boot process stops. Initialized CPU register device control and content of the main memory after the OS system operating system. डायग्नोस्ट को पोस्ट टेस्ट चलाता है, बूटेबल डिवाइस ढूंढता है, सीपीयू रजिस्टर मेमोरी कंट्रोलर इनिशियलाइज करता है, फिर ओएस को लोड करता है। यह बायो सेटिंग की स्क्रीन या डायग्राम है। इसमें बूट ऑर्डर टाइम हार्डवेयर सेटिंग बदलना जो कुछ है वो करते हैं। बूट प्रोसीड्यूर इसमें पूरा बूट फ्लो डायग्राम दिखाया गया है। फ्लो फ्लो ऑन बायोस बूट लोडर कैनाल ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम स्टार्ट boot up task performed at the boot up. On finding a bootable device, the BIOS loads the execution its boot sector. In the case of a hardware drive, this is referred to as the master boot records MBR and is often not OS specific. The MBR code checks the partitions table for an activity partitions. If one is found, the MBR code loaded that partitions boot selector and executions its. The boot selector is of an operating system specific. However, in most operating system Its main function is to load and execute into kernel and continuous startup. Secondary bootloader. If there is no active partitions or the activity partitions boot selector is invalid, the MBR may load a secondary bootloader and pass control to it, and this secondary root bootloader will select a partition obtained by a user input and load its boot selector. Example of secondary bootloader: GRUB, gerund undefined, gerund unified bootloader, LILO Linux loader, anti-LDR anti-loader. इस स्लाइड में ग्रड का डायग्राम है, GRUD ग्रब का काम। इसका लिनक्स या विंडो में से कौन सा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम सेलेक्ट करना है या चलाना सेट करना है। बूटिंग एंड रोम systems such as cellular phones, PDAs, and game console store entire OS on ROM. Done only the small OS simple supporting hardware and rigid operation. छोटे डिवाइस मोबाइल कंसोल में पूरा ओएस रोम में होता है। चार्जिंग बूट स्ट्रैप कोड बोर्ड रिक्वायर्ड चार्जिंग रोम चिप्स EPROM erasable programming ROM code execution in ROM is slower copy to RAM in faster execution। रोम में बदलना मुश्किल होता है, एग्जीक्यूशन स्लो होने पर रोम में कॉपी किया जाता है। DOS examples. After identifying the location of booted files, BIOS looks at the first selector 512 bits and copies information to a specific location in RAM. 7COH boot record. Control passes from BIOS to a program residing in the boot record. Boot record load the initialization system files into the RAM or DOS. It's io.sys. The initial file io.sys includes a file called sysinit, which loads the remaining OS into the RAM. Sysinit loads a system files msdos.sys that knows how to work with BIOS. One of the first OS files that were loaded is the system configuration files config.sys. In case of DOS, information in the configuration files tells loading programs which OS files need to be loaded, e.g. drivers. Another specific files that is loaded is one which tells what specific applications and commands user want to be performed as a part of booting process. In DOS, it is auto.exec.bat. In Windows, it's win.ini. References: Operating System Principle, Silver, Chart, Kelvin and Gange। ये लिंक है इसकी जो विकिपीडिया की और जो। थैंक